Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal Hussain, lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Scholarship School and College, Dhanmondi, Dhaka. My dear students, most welcome to all of you. Inshallah, today we are going to start our class formally. Please let me know top line of the board, right side, left side, light and sound. Is everything okay? Can we start our class formally, please? In the comment section, you can give your attendance and also you can invite your friends to connect with us. Within a short time, we are going to start exercise 2.1. In the last June classes, in the previous classes, we have done up to number 8 in the boys section, and the girls in the June class I have done up to number 9. So dear students, in the today we will start from question number 10 from exercise 2.1. So please be prepared with your maths book and classwork copy. And so let me know everything is okay or not. Dear students, please let me know sound quality, board diagram, everything is okay. Yes, Rahul sir ID থেকে একজন কমেন্টস করেছিলেন স্যার এভরিথিং ওকে. So dear students, we are going to start our class. So now today we are going to discuss here the question number 10. So dear students, from here we can write exercise 2.1 and the page number exercise 2.1 page number 28 from your academic book, page 28, page 28. So dear students, today this is our content. So now question number 10, let me review this one first. Shobuj and Dalim, Shobuj, Dalim and Lincoln. Shobuj, Dalim and Lincoln are three brothers. Are three brothers, and their father and their father has divided 6300 has divided 6,300 taka amongst them. That's the Shobuj. I think Shobuj gets 3/5 parts of Dalim, and Dalim gets 3/5 times of Dalim, and Dalim gets double of Lincoln. Find the find their amount. Find their amount. So dear students, this is the question number 10 from your academic book. I think if the question is written, it may be easier for me to discuss this one. So now, first read the question properly, what you will get here. Please, by using the concept of proportions, we will do this one. First, see here, the three brothers, Shobuz, Dalim, and Lincoln. The amount, the Shobuz, Dalim, and Lincoln, and first of all, total amount 6,300 taka. Shobuz is compared with Dalim. So dear students, directly the Shobuz amount is not given here. Shobuz is compared with Dalim, and Dalim gets double of Lincoln. Dalim gets double of Lincoln. So basically Shobuz is compared with Dalim, and Dalim is compared with Lincoln. So directly just we can start it from Lincoln parts. Let the Lincoln will get X taka, then Dalim will get twice X taka, and another one, Dalim, Lincoln, and Shobuz will get 3/5 of X taka. Or you can write here, let solution, let Lincoln will get Lincoln will get 1 taka. So Lincoln is compared with Dalim. So Dalim will get 2 multiply 1 taka or 2 taka. That is the double of the Dalim amount is the double of Lincoln according to questions. And finally, Shobuz will get the Shobuz amount is 3/5 parts of Dalim. So Shobuz amount is the 3/5 parts of Dalim. So Dalim is 2 of 3/5 taka, or 3 to the 6/5 taka. The total amount. Now the first one, second one, and third one. So dear students, according to question requirement, just we find here that they are each one portions. Lincoln will get 1 taka, then Dalim will get twice 1 taka, and Shobuz will get 3/2 taka. So please let me know up to this one, the condition is clear to you or not. So dear students, please do comments up to this one, is it clear to you or not? Now just find their ratios. The amount of ratio, the ratio of their amount, is equals to 1 ratio 2 ratio 6/5, or equals to or equals to, or we can write here equals to multiplying with the 5 ratio 10 ratio 6. By 5. So now adding all quantities, adding all quantities, we get, adding all quantities, 5 plus 10 plus 6 equals to 21. So the first condition, the first name is in this quantity 5 is to 10, 5 is to 10 is to 6, and now in this quantity, this is the portions of, the first one is the portions of Lincoln, the second ratio is the portions of Dalim, and third one is the portions of Shobuz. So now each one will get the total amount equals 6,300 taka. So from the question information we will write here. So dear students, please let me know up to this one, is it clear to you or not? Please. So first condition we can write here. The first one, Dalim will get. Dalim will get within 21. Within 21, Dalim amount is 5. So in total amount 6300. This is the 3 times. Now that if we do divide here, this one will be 300. 300 multiply with 5, that is the 1500 taka. And next one, Dalim, then Shobuz. Dalim, this is the first one is Lincoln. The first one is Lincoln. Lincoln will get this one. The second name is Dalim. Dalim will get within 21. The Dalim amount is 10. Then 6,300 taka. Dear students, I think right side board diagram is okay? Yes. Now this is now 300. 300 multiplied 10, so this is the 3,000 taka. And finally, the last name, Lincoln, Dalim and Shobuz. The Shobuz amount is here 6. Shobuz will get within 21, Shobuz amount is 6. And so in total amount he will get 6300 taka is equal to 63, then this is now 318. So now total, this is their amount. So now answer you can write our Lincoln amount is eto, Dalim amount is eto, and Shobuz amount is eto. This is our answer. So my dear students, I think let me review, answer is okay or not. Shobuz 1800 taka and Dalim will get 3000 taka and Lincoln will get 1500 taka. So my dear students, let me know if you have any question, please let me know. Someone asking me, sir, please repeat again. Okay, I will discuss this question again. Someone asking me, sir, please repeat. Sorry. Okay, I think okay, I will repeat this question again. আমাদের সাথে সাকিব স্যার আছেন, thank you sir. Dear students, first of all you have to understand the question properly. Which amount is compared with others? There are, we see here, three different names. The first name is Shobuz, second name is Dalit, third name is Lincoln. But the directly their amount is not given here, but total amount of them is given here. The total amount is 6,300 taka. According to this condition, Shobuz will get 3/5 parts of Dalit. That means Shobuz is compared with Dalit. Shobuz amount is not directly given here. The Shobuz is compared with Dalit, and if the Dalit amounts, the Shobuz will get 3/5 times of Dalit. That means Shobuz is compared with Dalit. Now Dalit, the Dalit amount is not given here, and Dalit is compared with Lincoln. So first of all, Shobuz is compared with Dalit. Dalit is compared. Shobuz is compared with Dalit. So Shobuz amount from Dalit, and Dalit is compared with Lincoln. Shobuz is compared with Dalit, and Dalit is compared with Lincoln. So we started here. Let the Lincoln get 1 taka. Lincoln get 1 taka. That means Dalit amount is the 2 times of Lincoln. If the Dalit get 1 taka, Lincoln get 1 taka, Dalit will get 2 times of Lincoln. So 2 times of Lincoln amount, that is 2 taka. And finally Shobuz. Shobuz get 3/5 of Dalit. So Dalit amount is 2 taka. Shobuz get 3/5 of Dalit. Dalit is 2, then 3/5. 2 3 just 6 divided by 5. So this is their total amount portions. First quantity 1, second quantity 2, and third quantity 6/5. In this three quantity, what we see here, the first quantity is numerical number, second quantity is number, but third quantity is improper fractions. Their denominator is 5. So now the ratio of their amount, the first one amount, second one amount, third one amount, that means Shobuz amount, Dalit amount, and Lincoln amount. Now we see here, this is a fractions, and the three quantity are not the same. There are two numerical number, one is another fraction. So any fractions we can convert into a numerical numbers or integer number. So this is the fractions 5, denominator 5. So just multiply each and every term by 5. And if you multiply 1 by 5, this one will be 5. If you multiply 2 by 5, there will be 10. If you multiply 6 by 5 into 5, like 6 by 5 into 5, what will be result? 5 you can eliminate, then there is a 6. So now third one will be 6. Each and every quantity will be multiplied by 5. So now the first one, second one, third one, and all are integer number here. And now the first one, the name is Lincoln. The first one name is Lincoln. That means Lincoln amount is 5, and then second Dalit amount is 10, and finally this one is Shobuz, his amount is 6, and total their amount ratio. And adding all quantities, 5 plus 10 plus 6, 21, and the total amount will be divided among them is 6,300 taka. Now Lincoln will get within 21. The first one, Lincoln amount is 5. Within 21, Lincoln amount is 5. So in 21, Lincoln amount is 5. So what will be his amount within 6,300 taka? This is 300. 300 multiply 5, or we can write here 300 multiply 5, or 5 multiply 300. 5 multiply 300, that is the 1500 taka. Similarly, Dalim amount is 10 within 21. So within 21 his amount is 10, and doing the calculation you will get here 3000 taka. Similarly, Shobuz amount, this is the 300 taka. 300 multiply 6, 1800 taka. So this is their total amount. My dear students, please let me know now any more question. Is it clear to you or not? Now I will review your comments and then try to answer as far as you demand. So my dear students, please let me know. Kantarin Sultana got it. Thank you. You said, sir. Ishtiya Kamal said, sir, to repeat kore. Farhan Jarif ID থেকে বলছো স্যার ক্লিয়ার। নাসরিন ফারমিন আইডি থেকে বলছো ইয়েস, হ্যাঁ অ্যাকচুয়ালি একটু বলছো স্যার একটু রিপিট করেন বাবা। হুইচ টপিকস? এখানে আমরা অনেকগুলো পাঠ কথা বলেছিলাম, কোন টপিকসটা আমরা আবার রিপিট করব? শামা আইডি থেকে বলছো স্যার ভেরি ইজি, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। Yes, I think very clear to you. হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের আর যদি কারো কোশ্চেন না থাকে, yes, শেখ মাহবুবুর রহমান আন্ডারস্টুড, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। ক্যান ইউ প্লিজ রিপিট अगेन? ওকে, আমি আবার একটু ডিসকাস করব। ওকে, খুব ভালো করে খেয়াল করো, এই কোশ্চেনটির মধ্যে আমাদের কন্ডিশন অ্যাপ্লাই করা আছে। ডাইরেক্টলি অ্যামাউন্ট ইজ নট গিভেন। এর আগের ক্লাসে আমরা যখন ম্যাথগুলো করে আসছি, এই রেশিও দেওয়া ছিল, লাইক 1:2:3, or according to their age, and the total amount will be divided. But here the total amount is given, and the three now names, and that is the three brothers Lincoln, Shobuz and Dalim, and directly their amount ratio is not given, but the condition is given here. Like the first condition, Shobuz amount, the Shobuz will get 3/2 part of Dalim. Shobuz will get 3/2 part of Dalim. Sorry, 3/5 part of Dalim. And the Dalim amount is not directly given. Dalim is compared with Lincoln. Dalim amount is double of Lincoln. So first Shobuz compared with Dalim, Dalim compared with Lincoln. So that's why we started from Lincoln. The Lincoln amount is 1. Just we started by taking the amount of Lincoln is 1. So the condition, Dalim will get double of Lincoln. So if his amount is 1 taka, so definitely Dalim double. That means 2 times of 1. If this one is x, this one will be 2 times of x. So by taking the unknown variable x, also you can do this math properly. Now the Dalim amount eto, Shobuz amount eto, and their amount ratios. This is the improper ratio. Denominator is 5. That's why we multiplied each quantity by 5 to make this numerical number, all are integer number. And that doing the same condition as previous math, we have done this one. So my dear students, using another condition you can do this one. আমি আরেকটা ফরম্যাট দেখাই, দেখো তোমাদের যাদের ভালো লাগে তোমরা করতে পারবে। দেখো আমরা একটু অল্টারনেট একটা মেথড দেখাচ্ছি, তোমাদের যাদের ভালো লাগে তোমরা চাইলে এই মেথডটি অ্যাপ্লাই করতে পারবে। লাইক অনেকের কাছে এটি যদি ডিফিকাল্ট হয়, let Lincoln will get x taka. So Dalim is the double of Lincoln. Dalim will get twice x taka. And the finally Dalim, Lincoln and Shobuz will get 3 by 5 multiply twice x টাকা according to questions x plus twice x plus twice x plus 3 to just 6x by 5 is their total amount. So according, you can apply this method. Now doing the calculation, find the value of x, then apply here successively. Or we can write here like this is now 3 times of x plus 6x by 5 equals to 6300. And now taking here the 5 as a LCM, 5 3 are 15x plus 6x. 15x plus 6x equal to 6300. Now the amount so now we can write here, this is now 21x divided by 21x divided by 5 equals to 6300, or 21x equals 6300 multiply 5, or x equals to 6300 multiply 5 divided by 21, and this is now 300, that is now 3 5s are 15. So the first the first one Darling amount equals to 1500 taka. The second one Shobuz amount, sorry, Lincoln amount. The first one is Lincoln's amount. Second name is Darling's amount. Darling amount is 2 times of x, that is 1500 multiplied 2, that 1500 multiplied 2 taka equals to 3000 taka. And the finally Lincoln, Darling and Shobuz will get, Shobuz is get 2 multiplied 3 by 5, 3 by, we can start the Shobuz amount here, and the Shobuz will get and the finally and Shobuz will get Shobuz amount is 3 by 5 multiplied 2 multiply value of x is 1500. Now 5 multiply 300, and now you will get here 3 multiply 2 multiply 300 equals to 3 to 600, that is the 1800. So dear students, by using this method also you can do this one. I think now concept is very clear. তোমাদের যাদের কাছে আগের ম্যাথটি একটু ডিফিকাল্ট মনে হতে পারে, you can also do by using this method. So dear students, please let me know any more questions. তোমরা একটু কমেন্টস করে জানাও যে যাদের কাছে এই মেথডটি একটু ভালো লেগেছে। আমরা এখানে প্রত্যেকটা ম্যাথ by using the proportions condition, and you can find the answer, and also using the unknown variable or unknown condition like unknown variable x, also you can do this maths by letting the value of unknown one is x. Yes sir, no question, thank you sir. হ্যাঁ, তোমাদের অনেকের কাছে এই ম্যাথটি ইজি লাগবে কারণ অলরেডি you have done simple equation, that is chapter 6 already completed. So তোমরা 5 6 যারা করে আসছো simple equation এর যে ক্যালকুলেশন, সিম্পলিফিকেশন সহজ, তো তোমাদের কাছে এই টপিকটা সহজ লাগতে পারে। The Lincoln X, Dalim twice X, and the Shobuz is the 3/5 of Dalim, and that their total amount is 6,300 taka. Doing the calculation, value of X is 1,500 taka. So just put the value of X here and find their total amount. We can do it by successive ratio. Abdullah ID থেকে লিখছো, thank you so much. তাসফি আহমেদ আইডি থেকে লিখছে, স্যার আন্ডারস্টুড স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। ওকে, আমরা এখন নেক্সট কোশ্চেনে যাচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, একজনে বলছে স্যার সাকসেসিভ আইডি ইউজ করলে হবে। হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস। আমরা এখন আরো একটি ম্যাথ দেখাবো। দেখো আমাদের এই যে কন্ডিশন, আই থিংক 11:44, আমাদের খুব বেশি সময় আর এখানে নাই। আজকে এই ম্যাথটি একটু ইম্পর্টেন্ট ম্যাথ ছিল। আমরা দেখি একটু খুব ইজিয়েস্ট ফরম্যাটে আমরা একটা ম্যাথ দেখাইতে পারবো কিনা। হ্যাঁ, ওকে, দেখো এখানে নাম্বার 11 কোশ্চেনটি খুবই সহজ। আমরা কোশ্চেনটি লিখছি না, এখানে কোশ্চেনটি লিখলে আমাদের একটু বেশি সময় লাগবে। And a piece of ornament mixed by bronze, zinc and silver. So dear students, একটু কোশ্চেনটি পড়ে না, নাম্বার 11. In a ornament there are total bronze, zinc and silver. And their ratio is given here. The bronze ratio zinc 1:2, and the ratio of zinc ratio silver 3:5. And find the how many grams of silver there are in total 19 grams. So given that in an ornament the ratio of bronze, zinc, one is to 2. The ratio of zinc and silver equals to 3:5. Now first ratio equal 1/2. Second ratio equal 3/5. So now just make it continued proportions. So dear students, how to find the successive ratio of this one? Please find the successive ratio. So their second number is 2. Multiply here by 2 and this one multiply with by 3. So now 1 multiply with 3, 2 multiply with 3, and here 3 multiply with 2 and 5 multiply with 2. There is now 3/6 equals to 6/10. That is 3:6. This is now 6:10. Now successive ratio, bronze ratio, zinc ratio, silver equals to 3:6. 6:10. So my dear students, please up to this one let me know any question please. Up to this one, according to question there are two different ratios are given, and by using first and second ratio we make them their successive ratio. 3:6:10. Please let me know up to this one, is it clear to you? So find the how many grams of silver. The silver, which one is silver amount? 10. So the requirement in the amount, find the amount of silver in total 19 grams. Weight of ornaments is the silver within tens in 19. I think if I am not wrong, doing the calculation, this one will be our answer. 19. 3 plus 6 plus 9. Yes, we have done here mistake. This one will be 19. So dear students, please let me know, is it clear? খুব সহজ একটি কোশ্চেন। থ্যাংক ইউ আফরোজা জামান বিথি আইডি থেকে বলছো স্যার, ইয়েস দিস ওয়ান উইল বি 18, আনফর্চুনেটলি জাস্ট আই রোট হিয়ার 19. থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। Yes, thank you so much. My dear students, any question here, please let me know. Abdullah ID থেকে বলছো স্যার, ভেরি ক্লিয়ার, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ। Rinto Hussain said, sir, this one will be 19. Thank you, absolutely. This one total is 19. Sir, can you explain the question again? Question numberটা আবার একটু এক্সপ্লেইন করব। এখানে যদি আমরা একটা অর্নামেন্ট হিসাব করি, অর্নামেন্ট this looks so weird. আমরা একটা ডায়মন্ডের একটা রিং ড্র করি। হ্যাঁ, এই অর্নামেন্টের মধ্যে this is total, there are 3 metal. That is, the first one is zinc, the bronze, zinc and silver. There are total 3 metal here. According to their ratio, the first ratio is given here. Here the total ratio of the bronze ratio zinc, the ratio is given 1:2. And then zinc ratio silver. Zinc ratio silver given here. Zinc ratio silver given here 3:5. Now the bronze ratio zinc, zinc ratio silver. There are two different ratios here, but the total elements is 3: bronze, zinc and silver. That's why we make it the successive ratio. How to make the successive ratio? Just we will multiply the first one by 3. 1 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, and the second one 2. 2 multiply the 3 and 5 multiplied by 2. আমরা সবাই জানি যে দেখো এখানে যেমন জিঙ্ক এখানে হচ্ছে জিঙ্ক, তাহলে এই যে জিঙ্ক আর এখানে ফার্স্ট ওয়ান এখানে লাস্ট ওয়ান দে আর সেম, তাহলে এখানে লাস্টে যে নাম্বার থাকবে এই নাম্বার দিয়ে এদেরকে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব, লাইক 2 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব 3 and 5, আর এখানে যে ফার্স্টে যে নাম্বারটি থাকবে 3 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব এখানে, তাহলে উপরে মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে 3 দিয়ে আর নিচে মাল্টিপ্লাই হচ্ছে 2 দিয়ে। তাহলে এখন দেখো আমাদের সেম আসছে, this one is the same here, like A ratio B, B ratio C, that is the A ratio B and B ratio C. So now we can write here A ratio B ratio C. The total will be, this is 2 are the common, so 3 ratio, 6 ratio and then 10. So dear students, the bronze, zinc and silver ratio and all quantities adding the total amount. The requirement is also find the amount of silver, that is the weight of silver here. The silver portion is 10 gram. So dear students, any question please? I hope this is clear to you. My dear students, any questions? Yes, অনেক সুন্দর করে একটি ডায়মন্ড ড্র করেছে। A ratio, B ratio, yes, A ratio, B ratio, C. ওয়াসেক আহমেদ বলেছিল যে এইটা যদি তুমি এইভাবে লিখো, একটু তোমার তুমি যেভাবে লিখে আসছো তাসফিয়া, A ratio B equals to B ratio C, যদি আমরা এইভাবে লিখি তাহলে এটা কিন্তু কন্টিনিউ প্রপোর্শনস হয়ে যাচ্ছে। The two different ratio A is to B and B is to C, two different ratio যদি এদের মধ্যে সেম থাকে দেন তাদেরকে আমরা একসাথে লিখতে পারবো A ratio, B ratio, C. Not the total ratio is not the same. The second one, subsequent of the first ratio is equal antecedent of the second ratio. While they are same, we can write A ratio, B ratio, C, that is the successive ratio. এটা আমি আবার একটু বলি, তোমরা এখানে A equal B equal B or C. This is not like this. This is continued proportions. Here we get here A ratio B, the first one, and second one is B ratio C. This is the second one. When the subsequent of the first ratio is equal to antecedent of the second ratio, then we can write A ratio, B ratio, C. A ratio, B ratio, C. So please, any question? Tashfi Ahmed, thank you so much. And now your answer is okay and done. My dear students, any question? ওকে, তোমাদের আর যদি কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন না থাকে আমাদের ক্লাসটি আমরা এখানেই কমপ্লিট করব ইনশাআল্লাহ। নেক্সট ক্লাস থেকে আমরা পরে কোশ্চেনটি স্টার্ট করব। টুডে উই হ্যাভ ডান আপ টু কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 11। ইনশাআল্লাহ নেক্সট ক্লাস উই উইল স্টার্ট ফ্রম কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 12। তোমাদের আজকে কারো কোনো নতুন কোনো হোমওয়ার্ক নাই। গত ক্লাসে আমি তোমাদেরকে দুই তিনটি কোশ্চেন দিয়েছিলাম, তোমরা একটু সময় করে এই কোশ্চেনগুলো সাবমিট করবে দ্য আনসার। So dear students, in the exercise 2.1 we have done up to number 11. Inshallah from my class I will start from number 11 in the next class, number 12 in the next class. So dear students, if you have no question, so hopefully see again in the next classes. So dear students, তোমাদের আর কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে কিনা please let me know. Sir, please take the one class on 5.1. 5.1 এর টোটাল ক্লাসগুলো আমাদের বড় স্যার নিয়েছেন। সো তোমাদের যদি কারো কোনো কোশ্চেন থাকে তোমাদের ইনশাআল্লাহ আমরা পরে আবার রিভাইজ দিব ইনশাআল্লাহ। So dear students, hopefully see you again in the next classes and wish you all the best. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.